Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about the differences between the read-only and the constant keywords in C# programming language, right? Now, let's me show you the basic difference between constant and read only, and then I will move towards the development environment to the Visual Studio so that I can also show you the code example. Now, these are the basic differences. Basically, constant variables must be initialized at the time of declaration, and read only can be initialized either at the time of declaration or you can say in a constructor of the class, right? No, constant values are known at compile time and can't be changed, right? And read-only values can be assigned at runtime, making it suitable for runtime constants, you can say. And also constant implicitly static and shared across all the instances of this class. And read only can be either static or instance level depending on how it is declared. Now these are the basic differences between the constant and read only variables in the C sharp. Now let's we move directly towards the development environment so that I can show you the example at the code level of the constant and read only. Now let me define here a class. It will be a public class and the class name for example is my class, and inside this class I will first declare a variable sorry public, and to define a constant variable you have to use the constant keyword, right? And then the type, and let's me give a name my constant value, and its value for the time let's suppose 10. Okay, and now let's me define here one read only property or variable you can say, and I will give the name read only value, and I will not assign any value. And let's me define a constructor of this class. So to define a constructor, we use the public keyword and then the class name and then the parameter of the constructor. So a constructor, you know, is basically a special type of function with a class name that takes also parameters. Now inside the parameter, let's me pass here value, and then I will uh, assign these to the my read only variable. So what ever value I am getting in this parameter, I will assign to the my read only this parameter, right? No, inside our main program.cs, now let's me create an object of this my class, and I will give the name my class object, and I will create the object using the my class constructor, and it giving me the compile time error because I have to pass some value. Okay, there is no argument given that correspond to the required parameter. Okay, now I have to pass here some value like 20 for example, or 30, any value you can pass. Okay, now the compile time error comes, and now I have um, to print to the console my object dot. I will print the constant value. The const my sorry the object name is my class object dot my constant value. Sorry, this one my constant value. Okay, it giving me the error. Remember, my class to my customer cannot be accessed within an instance reference quality. Okay, into my class read only. And let me see again. Okay, let me remove these and I can show you in some other way. Let me first run the application so that we can see the output. Okay, and I will just put here a simple value so that declare a simple variable so that our program not terminated after this line. Step 4. And now let me show you this in a quick watch window. Cancel. It taking some time, the program becomes like not responding. Sorry guys. Okay, now let me show you again these object inside the quick watch window. You can see that the value of my read only value variable is 20. Okay, and uh, let me access this value int constant value is equal to my read only object dot my constant I'm only accessing the my read only value, not the my constant. As I declare also this variable as a static member, as a public member. But let me check why it's not accessible. If I copy this one and press enter, especially member, my class of master value cannot be accessed with an instance reference. Qualify it with a name instead. Okay, let me check. Okay, so I am getting an error, and according to this error, let me show you this error inside the Chrome, and it's showing me static members can be accessed with an instance reference qualified with the type name instead. Okay, it's mean then I have to give the type name directly. Okay, so it's giving me the error. Let me go to the program. If I directly type the tab name, okay, okay guys, now it's working. Constant value, and let's me access the read only value using the object. Read only value, my class object, and read only value. Okay, so I will not cut this part because I was a little stuck, to be honest, whether I can access the variable using the object name, but I was not able. So to access this constant value, you have to use the class name and then directly I mean the variable name. Okay, now let's me run the application. Constant value I am getting 10 and the read value 20, because when I create the object of this class, then I pass 20 as a parameter to the constructor, and inside the constructor you can see it will take the value and will assign the parameter value towards this variable, the read only. And let me stop the application and I will put here a debugger so that you can see the actual thing what is happening. Step 4, when I execute this line, I am getting 20 as a value inside the constructor parameter, and now at this time its value 0, and I will assign 20. Okay, step 4 now if I mouse over my object, and you can see that my read only value is 20 of this variable, and once I access this variable using the object name, you see that I was getting the error No, I can access the value directly using the class name and the variable name. Now step 4, I get the value, and step 4, I get the value by accessing the property using the object. Now this was the basic about constant and read only. So the constant keyword, is used for compile time constants, while read only is used for runtime constants that can be set in constructors, right? So thanks for watching this video about the constant and read only. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. I will meet you with a new topic in the upcoming series. Thank you.